Former Indian selector Raja Venkat is joining us from Kolkata. And with me in the studio, to my left, Shailendra Singh, Managing Director of Percept. To his left is Sambit Bal, Editor-in-Chief of ESPN Cricinfo.com. And to his left, we have Kunal Pradhan, Deputy Editor of the Mumbai Mirror. Kunal, any other country, nobody would have got away with this kind of a record. 8 tests out of 8 played in England and Australia, all lost. No wholesale changes. This seems to be like a forced change, grudging. No conversation on Sachin. You don't want to touch the issue. The great man must be allowed to decide for himself. Do we just lack the guts, or are we unimaginative?
No, I think, Arnab, the problem is a lot deeper than that. I think the issue right now is not, how many players you can remove from the team and how many players you can add to it, but a much larger malaise that has got into the Indian test team, especially over the last 4-5 years. See, the thing is, it's really like, you're getting up in the morning to go for a meeting and you open your cupboard and there are clothes hanging there and you pull out a shirt and you find that 3 buttons are missing, or you pull out a suit and you find there's a stain on it. See, the thing is, it looks like there are a lot of players, but we have managed to maneuver Indian cricket to a position where nobody, especially the next generation, doesn't seem as interested in test cricket as it should be, because we have created this 45-day carnival which has called the IPL, and I connect Indian cricket's demise in test cricket directly to the IPL. We have got a whole generation of players who are playing for something else.
So this is the untouchable, the cricketing untouchables. You can't touch them. You can't say anything about them. You can't criticize them. They are legends. They must be allowed to choose their time. Sambit, Monty Panesar, dropped, brought back. You admit a mistake happened. This doesn't happen here. Why?
I think
do the selectors lack guts?
I don't think. I think it's sort of. I don't think we should isolate selectors.
Why not?
I think the problem is that Indian cricket has lived in denial for the last 2 years. We haven't seen the signs. I hold the players equally responsible. I think the players, if you saw throughout England and Australia, I was there for all those 8 tests. There were excuses. They were saying that the pitches were green. In Australia, the pitches were quick. On the same pitches, our bowlers couldn't do anything. And we lived in this sort of a denial, saying that things were all right, but we were getting hammered by the circumstances.
No, so averages don't matter. Nothing matters.
Of course it matters. But we had this, we deluded ourselves saying that, hey, we will come home and everything will be all right. We didn't see the signs of that team. That team were the fundamental problems with this team, which was aging, which lacked basic fitness.
But do we want to win? There is a whole section today, there's an older constituency which says, ups and downs happen. Teams go up, teams go down. There are good moments, there is decline. We must be mature about it. I mean, at the end of the day, do these averages matter at all? Raja Venkat, let me go to you. I'm coming back to, Mr. Venkat, let me share. There was a selector, I won't name him. I don't want to make too much of a detail. There was a selector who was once confronted on a social occasion by a top ex-cricketer. So the ex-cricketer goes up to the selector and says, why do you not speak about this player? And the selector says, I will. So he says, the cricketer says, when will you say? He says, the moment my tenure as selector is over. I will do it. And then he looks at me and he says, I will do it on a TV show. I'm not talking about Raja Venkat, let me make it clear. But why is this the situation?
Name him or no?
I name him? No. I only ask others to name. Yes, Raja Venkat, what's going on?
See, Arnab, I think I agree with Sambit over there when he said that this 45 days carnival IPL is ruining Indian cricket.
Yeah,
definitely it is. For the last 4 years we've been watching Ranji Trophy matches, Dalip Trophy matches, but unfortunately the cupboard is bare. See, when you look at domestic cricket, you don't find any good spinners, you don't find any medium pacers, you don't find any good batters either. So the matter is that the cupboard is bare really. We don't have any of these people who can really come and fill the shoes of say Rahul Dravid or a Lakshman, or even if you look at it, Sourav Ganguly retired in 2008 and it was only in 2011 that we found a Virat Kohli, and this year it's been even worse. Rahul retired, then Lakshman retired, and now we have Cheteshwar Pujara who seems to be coming up. He's one batsman who can play a long innings.
Sir,
apart from that, we don't have anybody really.
Sir, I'm sorry.
What the problem with Indian cricket is.
I'm sorry, what chances have the selectors given to the youngsters to play? What chances did Ajinkya Rahane get, Rohit Sharma get, Manoj Tiwari get? They travelled with the team for the Australia tour. How many times did they get to play a game? They didn't. Did they get to play a game?
No,
did they get to play a game?
Rahane, yes, he's done well in the shorter version of the game. He may get a look into the longer version.
No, but
he looks a talent, yes.
No, but we are not willing.
But Rohit Sharma, I think he's been given ample opportunities, but he hasn't lived up to the talent that he has. Yes, he's a talented player, but unfortunately he hasn't lived up to it.
Well, Shailendra wants to
one
comment.
point.
Yes.
There's one point. I think the debate is completely incorrect. Okay, I'll tell you why. We've done these debates 1,000 times. What is currently, if you pick up a sport, a national sport for 1 billion people,
Yes.
it is driven by hunger or fear.
Yeah.
Now, starting from the administrator, everything always rolls down
True.
from the top of the hill.
True.
The board president or the chief selector, have you ever heard them talk about the strategy? 2.5 years, you said Australia, South Africa and England. You forgot Asia Cup. You know, we all thought Asia Cup would be
chief
a
selector's
saving grace.
gag.
Now, my point of view
The
is...
chief selector is not allowed to talk.
My point of view is that we are reasonably spineless as a nation. Now this
Don't
new
blame
India...
the nation.
No, let me finish.
You want to...
Arnab, let me finish. Why don't you...
Sachin and Dhoni are performing at 21 and 22.
Arnab,
1 minute. Are we assuming
Arnab,
today the
Arnab,
nation
why-
is saying... Are we
Arnab,
assuming the nation is
Arnab,
saying...
why don't you have-
Sachin, even if you play at 12... And Dhoni,
Arnab,
even if your average is 10,
Arnab, one question
you should
to
continue to be in the team
Why don't
forever.
you have the board president sitting here today in the debate? 600 million people are below the age of 25. New India wants the real answers.
Really?
And it doesn't come from people like us. We have spoken soft issues.
No,
1 minute, big
right.
question. The board president
When
has
did
to explain.
Gambhir last
Now,
score a century?
Why has Dhoni been captaining three disciplines? Why is he captaining three disciplines?
When did Gambhir last score a century, Sambit?
2 years ago.
And why is he still...
Why is Sachin there?
No, one...
Why does the board go soft on him and say, hey, let him retire when he wants? I appreciate this gesture. World Cup was a great time to give him a farewell. He didn't take one. It's all about economics. Where's the sport?
Kunal.
Yeah. See, Arnab, I'll again say I don't think it is about. I don't think the problem that we are facing right now is about that. So, everybody's saying we want wholesale changes.
Yes.
Arnab, in this team, there is a new
You want
batsman at number 3.
accountability. You don't want change, brother. You want accountability.
There's a new batsman at number 3.
Hold on.
Just
You
listen,
failed for compulsively 24 months. You don't have a selector in the dock. You don't have the president of the board answering the question.
let me go to that.
1 minute. Hang on. Dhoni stays captain. Every athlete in the team is same. What are you talking about?
No, it's
so
not the
failure
same.
doesn't
It's
result
not
in
the same.
change.
It's not the same. Shailen,
Come
hear
on.
me out.
Everybody
Hear
stays
me out. Hear me
depressed.
out.
And guess what?
Just hear me out.
You're losing to England in your own home soil. This is emotional.
This is rhetoric. Just hear me.
Come on, yeah.
See,
People will watch
your
Manchester
number 3
United
let him
games.
come in. Yeah.
Let me just say what
I mean, it
I'm
doesn't
saying.
make sense. We go
Let
soft.
me just say what I'm saying. See, your number 3 batsman is a new player. Your number 5 batsman is fairly new. Your number 6 batsman is fairly new. Your 2 spinners are new.
Are you seriously
Your 1 fast
analyzing
bowler
this
is new.
team?
No, I'm just trying to tell you that, see, you want
It's
wholesale
commitment and
changes.
passion.
6 players out of 11 in this
Yeah,
team
make the wholesale change.
are fairly new. So,
Come on,
this is what a
Arnab.
transition looks like. This is what a transition... The problem is, who is coming in to step in? Who is forming the transition?
If the slots are well blocked in and nobody's accountable for
boys.
failure, where will you get a change?
Shailen, when was the last
What's-
time...
what-
He said- You said
When
it's
was
about
the last
IPL.
time you
I
went to
want
see
to
a
ask you a
domestic
question.
cricket match?
You said it's all
Can-
about IPL. Now you've gone to selection processes.
No, listen to me.
Come on, bro.
I'm asking Dhoni. What about Dhoni?
Why is he not-
No, one second. Raja Venkat. What about Dhoni? 1 minute.
can I say something?
There's no profession in the country, nowhere.
It's a serious
Not
issue,
even,
yeah.
not even journalism.
We just generally discuss
Where you can retain your job
You're breaking
without
a billion hearts every day. And nobody's accountable and answerable. Come on, yeah.
Should we be talking about Dhoni today?
Why not?
Why not? He's
Why
the
not?
captain.
No,
Win a series. We didn't discuss him in England. We didn't discuss him in South Africa.
Shailendra, curb your emotion.
No, I am emotional
I'm
today.
just saying that
Arnab, come on.
I'm
There are
asking.
billion young people who watch TV
Yeah.
every day for national
Yeah.
pride. This is a national team.
And a billion
Nobody's accountable.
and a billion young people are being told by some people